Hi and welcome back to a brand new tutorial on how to make a track in Logic Pro X. Sorry it's been a long time. I've been away in Japan working with Mark Panther, a DJ producer that I work with out there, and we did a concert and that was great fun. I'm probably going to put up a little film about that, a little video online, like a vlog type kind of video, but it's going to take me some time to probably edit that. Anyway, I'm doing these in English from now on, and you can go to my YouTube page. Pour les activer dans une autre langue, il faut aller là. That's my French version. You've got French and English version of how to activate the subtitles. I'll put the link in the info of this tutorial so you can go and find out how to activate the subtitles. So anyway, let's have a look at what we've been doing here and continue on with our arrangements and structure of the song. So we've got 1 minute 29 here. So here we can add on another, go on to about 3 minutes 30. So I'll probably just repeat the song from the beginning here. Okay, so what I'll do is just maybe do something different here at the beginning. I'm not really happy with this bit. Maybe do another track and then copy the pourquoi into the sampler and see what it sounds like there. So if I duplicate this here, this track with the sampler and all the effects on it, then I can just copy this down. What I'm going to do here is get rid of this sample, do no instrument, and then start again. And we want to just get hold of. Let's try the pourquoi, see what it sounds like on its own. That has got an instrument playing here, sine wave, which just comes with this. When you open it up, there's a sine wave synth signal in there. So what we're going to do is drag this sample into here, and here we have the sample here, and you can hear this. So you've got all the effects on here. So what I'm going to do is copy this here to this new track I got here. So we've got the similar kind of sound. So all I've got to do is get rid of these plugins here, like so, and then just copy these ones over. So let's bring up the mixer, be a lot easier to do it. Close this, save as pourquoi, save that, and then here all we got to do is just copy these over to my new sample, which is there. So just let's copy these over by holding down Alt and copy that over, sausage fattener and a compressor, and we should now hear this being played. So I don't think we need this part here. Yeah, get rid of this here and do something different to that. Put a delay on that or something. Let's try stereo, mono stereo, see what that sounds like. Of course here we don't have this in stereo, so let's go to the mixer and see if I can get this in stereo. Hold up. There you go, stereo. Basically what happens there is that because I had mono plugins on it, even if I put the delay in stereo, the mono plugins that were on there before keep it in mono. So it's something you need to know if you kind of have that problem in the future. I've had that problem as well. So I've got to EQ and do that again, just by cutting the top and the bottom again of this. The delay at the end. Let's put a sausage fatter on it. Give it a bit of. You hear the stereo on that now. And put a compressor in here. The compressor stereo. I've now saved this as my user default without the soft distortion on it, because I'm using sausage fattener quite a lot, which is distortion already, so I don't want two loads of distortion on this. So here, not loud enough. To bring this up a bit here. Let's crank up. That's going to be seriously loud. And but I'm not really convinced with this. No, I don't like that. So let's go back to where we were before. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, and I quite like that actually. It's a bit silly, but it's cool. So let's move on, do some more stuff. What I want to do here is quickly look at some of these drum bits here. I don't want any distortion on this here, soft distortion. Get rid of the soft distortion here if I can, because it kind of makes the drums a bit soft. So gonna go down and do that, come back in a minute. So bass and drums, I don't have too much distortion. If I've got distortion like I've got here on the bass part here, I don't need it either. Just check that compressor. Yeah, that's good. Didn't put it on there. And this, what is this here? Kind of like a bass. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I'll be keeping that. Gonna mute that for now. So let's EQ this a little bit. And gonna just do one little thing really quick, and that is what we call split. There you go, split, remove silence from audio region. Okay, now we're going to open this up, and this will cut out the blank, because my screen's so wide. This has gone off screen. I've had to make my actual session smaller for YouTube, but my screen is quite a wide screen, so it's just, this is going off. So that's, you got this here for the OK, but you can adjust it here. I can't make this window smaller. So what we do here is we can make this longer like that, make it into a whole section, which I will probably do, and just then very slightly here. Then pull this across here and just go OK. That will then split that, and that will stay as a as your sort of preset. So when you go back into it, it will be the same. You can see it's the same. We do that again. Come down here, do that again as well. So bring this over so you can see me clicking on the OK. Got a shortcut for this, which is, there you go. So it's Control Alt, which will bring up the split function. Okay, so I've done that, and that's it for today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave some comments, and I'll be back soon. Ciao.